All right, my customer call is done, and now I'm back to continue to collaborate with Uplift on the Honda deal. So let's see if the ingestion is complete and the context building has been completed. I click on View Existing Deals, I click on Honda, and here we are. So what you see on the screen is the deal page, where on the top you can see the deal name. This is where I can start chatting and have new conversations about the deal. And below are some deal insights that have been surfaced that are most important to me right now. For example, the top key risks that plague this deal, and it may cause it to delay or not close at all. So there are no formal metrics or benchmark defined to judge the POC success. Ongoing feature change requests threaten the original scope, so some kind of scope creep. And there is no detailed schedule or an assignment for the entire POC, which may lead to anxiety and, as pointed out by Uplift, frustration along the different stakeholders involved. And then it is giving me some mitigation tactics that I can use to mitigate these risks specifically. It also calls out key stakeholders that are involved in this deal. It identifies stakeholders from the customer side, from the vendor side, and any partners that may be involved in the deal. It also publishes a quick deal pipeline for me to understand key movements in the deal based on the context that has been given to it. All of this quickly helps me get an idea about what's going on in the deal and what I should do next. So now let's start uh, checking what next we could do or what more we can do with Uplift. So what is the current stage of the deal? Let me ask it a specific question and understand what Uplift is really able to understand about this deal from the context I shared with it. So it's able to understand that we are in the POC phase, technical validation is still going on, and it also gives me a quick summary of what is the last item that was discussed in the POC. What should I do next? Okay, seems like we should try that again. What should I do next? There we go. So as you can see, it streams the response after thinking about the query, going through the deal context, and understanding what are the best tactics for us to run on this deal. So it tells me we should deliver the UI change, we should lock down the POC scope and the success criteria, which again is in line with the risk that it identified. It is asking me to build a POC plan and then finally get a formal sign off and kick off the test. Now, that's it. We'll come back to it and collaborate with it on another item.